Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl L back at it again. Look, got another kit. This time is the Butterfly series from SXC. You know, I like that SXC pink bling. That's my kit. It's my favorite little kit so far in this nail journey. But hey, I'm going to be reviewing what's in this box, in this kit right here. So if you want to check me out while I do that, then go on, stick around. Come on back. Let me know what you think about this kit, because I did some peeking in now. It's got lots of butterflies. If you like butterflies, it's a butterfly kit right here. Okay, so come on back and watch me check this kit out. Hey, so okay, right here we're going to check out all the polygels that came in this kit. Hey, it is a very, very meaty kit. It is the Butterfly series from SXC. You know, I am a brand ambassador for that company, and I just really enjoy working with them, and I do enjoy the different polygels and things that they come up with, you know. All the different names, but all the different color combinations, and there you can always count on them to give you a nice, beautiful pink. That's what I love about it. It's a nice mauve always, or you can always blend these colors and they really come out nice. You know what I mean? So go ahead and get you that SXC Butterfly Series kit. You can use my code L2GO and get yourself a discount on that and save yourself some coins. You know, we all are trying to do that. So in this kit, check it out, you got, like I said, it did come with 12 different polygels. It came with a base coat. It came with a wonderful top coat, a glossy top coat. And it also came with your slip solution. And these containers did come in at 8mm container bottle. You know what I mean? A full-size polished bottle, if you will. You know, which I think is great. You know, instead of a little bitty small container, you can use this for multiple applications. And like I said, it is the SXC, once again, Butterfly series. They have the instructions manual for how to use the polygel and to show you what they look like. They are translucent, and they are very spring-like in colors. You know, you got your pastels, your pinks, your yellows, your greens, your blues, your oranges, like that. You know what I mean? Kind of the sherbety colors, if you will. But I like that. And here you see also in this pamphlet, it has a variety of other kits that they have on their website as well. So you can get right on over to SXCcosmetics.com and get yourself one of these other kits. If you don't particularly want this one, they have plenty more to serve you for your taste. So on to the Butterfly series kit. This kit was sent to me by SXC, and I thought I'd give it a try. I'm not a big fan of the butterfly craze, but hey, I think butterflies serve a wonderful purpose in our world, and hey, I think they have some wonderful creations out there for butterfly nails. So I thought, hey, why not just give it a shot? Step out your comfort zone, L, and go on and give it a shot, you know. And I must say, I did enjoy working with this kit. You get a bag of treats and goodies too as well in this kit. You get yourself some glitters, you know. You get also some butterfly chunk nuggets, you know what I mean? Some charms, I guess you would say. As you can see, they're down there. And you can also check out how you get a little rhinestone in there too, a little AB crystal going on with those glitters. You got your pink and your your white. You do get a file. It is a professional 100-180 washable file from SXC, and it is gorgeous to the touch and feel. Fits right in your hand, not flimsy or anything. You get this beautiful, beautiful pink brush to lay your polygels down effortlessly, and you use that slip solution with it, or you can use a little bit isopropyl alcohol if you prefer to go that route. That works just as well. But this brush is outstanding. All the brushes that come with their kit that I have used so far I can only vouch for myself, but they have been good brushes to me. You know, they done the job and they held up well. They didn't fray as much. They didn't come loose as much as other, brushes that you can just buy on other sites, So I'm very impressed with this company, SXC. And as you can see, look, you got your beautiful, 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 beautiful Kulinski brush there. And I think it's awesome. I think the way they do their brushes is magnificent. And hey, when you put the cap back on it, the caps fit really, really nice. You know what I mean? They're not slipping and sliding in your hand and coming loose. You also get some dual forms in this kit. If you prefer to just go ahead and just put your dual form, put your colors in this dual form, you can do it like that instead of just, putting a freestyle. Like some people just want to do it like an overlay of polygel on their nails and such like that with their tips and things. But you also get beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stickers in this joint right here. Look at this. Look how, now those, if those don't scream something elegant right there, hey, that's beautiful. But like I was saying, you get your dual forms, but you also get those nail forms as well. So you can sculpture a nail with that too as well. Either way you want to go, You can do the nail forms or you can do the nail forms. But here are the colors that I swatched already for you. As you can see, they are translucent in reflection and they are very, very pastel-y. They do remind you of like ice cream, yum, like macaroon, like just, so springy, like Easter eggs. I don't know, just so springy. And I love that. I think that's so delicate and so hot, Once I got into the kit, I kind of got into the kit, you know what I mean? I really appreciate them for hanging out and sending me a thought, you know what I mean? Just, wow, that's so cool. Hanging something, a blessing up in the corner of my box in the universe, we'll say it that way, but that is so awesome. I was truly blessed to receive this. Like I said, this is my second kit from them, and it has been a blast to work with them. It's been so effortless and fun. But look at how these colors are so translucent, and look at the names they pick for them. But you can see, you can get that pink, you can get that clear. All polygel kits usually come with the clear, but this one does as well. But they also have some vivid colors. Even though they are translucent in color, they do not lack color. So that's what I do like about them, and that is the main point I want to make about this kit. Okay, we have Helena here. We're going to show you what that looks like in just a minute. I'm going to squeeze that tube up for ya. And it's going to show you what, see, look at that. Just like beautiful, beautiful flavored translucent jelly, isn't it? It sure is. And then we have our next color coming up. We have the beautiful stepping in now. It's the beautiful. I'm going to show you right here so we can see the color. See, it's the beautiful Serena. The beautiful Serena. And then we have our beautiful, beautiful Yasmina. And then we have our beautiful Fiona. I think that is a lovely pink right there. I also too do love the way that the Valentina looks too. Is I'm a sucker girl for pink. You know what I mean? For pink and mauves and maroons and things like that nature, as well as blue, purples. But isn't that beautiful as well? Look at that color right there. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That's Helena, and she is gorgeous. Like I tell you, you can't go wrong with this kit. It is a doozy to have. It is. You have such a variety of colors. And this color here is Anna. And look how beautifully, beautifully mauve she is. Isn't that beautiful? Our next color up is Fiona. Yes, it is. It's a lovely kind of orangey to peach look, if you will. If you can kind of like it, kind of looks like that when it's out of the tube. But with a green hue, kinda. It's hard to explain. This is the lovely Ariana, and it is that beautiful, beautiful blue. And beside her is Helena, and it is that lovely lime greenish type one I was telling you about. It's a little more greener than the other one, limey more. And this is Angelina. That is the beautiful, beautiful purple one. So those are your beautiful SXC colors. And those are the colors that come in the Butterfly series. And if you are looking for some lovely, lovely things to put on those nails, check out the butterflies right here, right? Aren't those just something, something, something? Look at that. I love that it has all types, all different, like it has the pinks, the blues, the greens, but it also has that holographic look as well. So the variety in the kit is off the chain. You know what I mean? It really is. You get some glitters, some polygels, some butterflies, some charms, some stickers. I mean, come on, files. This is pretty amazing. And you get 12 polygels. Wow, 12 polygels in 15 milliliter tubes. 15 milliliter tubes. So I think that's awesome. I do. I really do. Okay, you see that I squeeze out a little bit of that polygel, and we're going to spread it around and see what it do. And just show you how pretty that it comes out and how easy it is to work with. Like I said, this polygel was beautiful. It was translucent, in color, but it did not lack color. It was very, very, very nice in pigment for a translucent polygel. But I'm gonna go and let you just watch me press it out and see what it do, and just kind of showing you. Now I notice I'm in and out of the frame here, but work with me, guys, because I'm new at this. I told you, but filming yourself and trying to get in your zone of doing your nails, it takes some. It's like chewing gum and walking, I guess. I don't know. It's something else, I tell you. Let me tell you that. It's something else. But I did enjoy working with this, so I'm just going to sit back and watch, and you do the same. Sit back and watch and check it out. And I'm trying to work on my filming, y'all. I'm trying to work on it all, you know what I mean? But you can see it. It's a nice, nice color. Nice color. And you can see those other nails in the background that I have there. Once again, you can see that they are very springy in color. And they're very translucent indeed, But they're pretty gorgeous. I enjoyed working with it. Go ahead and use my code L2GO to get yourself a discount on this and all of the SXC kits. They are truly awesome. You can't go wrong with it. You're going to get a bang for your buck in the kit that you receive. Any kit you get. They have gel liners. They have polishes. They have polygels. So you can find something that you're looking for at the shop indeed. It's SXC.com. I'm sorry, SXCcosmetics.com, if you will. Go on over there and get yourself something beautiful. But I'm going to sit back and watch and check me out while I'm checking out the kit. And you check me out while I'm checking me out. Check out the kit. Alright, YouTube, here we are. We're back at it. We're going to put some lovely top coat on this nail. I done this one off camera, and I wanted to just let you see how we just put the top coat that comes with the kit on top of it, and then we're going to go ahead and show you the final reveal. All right, here they are. Here's the final results. I hope you are digging them. I added this nail here because I just wanted to see how the top coat would do with just some loose glitter, and so that's why you see that there. And then the pink nail there, it's just I wanted to show that you can put that translucent over any nail and it'll look just pretty, you know, just adds a little sheen to it. So I just thought I'd show you that. But go ahead and check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for hanging out with me. Once again, this is your SXC butterfly kit. Go ahead and use my code LDGO to get your discount on that and other kits from SXC. You can get them at Amazon as well as sxccosmetics.com. Thanks for hanging out. And hey, babies, I'll see you in the next one.